What's up there, guys? It's Zoom and Gamer here, or Rosie Like Me here, and today we are going to learn more on Python. Today's topic is variables. Last topic we covered a little bit more about strings, and now we're going to learn a little bit more about variables. So, what exactly is a variable? Well, a variable is like a container or a box that holds values, and these values could range from names to numbers, age, dates, etc. So an example of this, let's say we have these two water bottles. I assign this water bottle, let's say poop, and this water bottle is going to be labeled as pop. So if I want the computer to output poop, I say print poop, right? And it should give me this output. If I say print pop, it should give me this output instead. Now, poop has a counter of 1. So let's go ahead and set that into action. So the syntax of a variable is like this. Variable equals quotation marks and whatever you want. The value is going to be inside these quotation marks. Or you could do variable equals a number. So let's say 2. In the example of our water bottles, we put poop equals 1 and then pop equals 0. So if we run this, we're not going to get anything. Yeah, we don't get anything because we didn't tell the computer to give us these output. So now if I do print poop, it should give me the value of 1. Poop has 1, right? Now if I print pop, we will get the value of 0. Now, variables are variables are very useful when we want to store data or values to them. Let's say names, right? So instead of poop, let's go ahead and give it like a name value, and that name will be Rose. So let's go ahead and print out a name instead. It will give us Rose. Now, let's go ahead and step it up a little bit more. Let's ask the user to input the name, right? So in order to do that, we're going to go ahead and define the variable, and then we're going to want an input from the players or users. So we put input parentheses, and then inside those parentheses, we put quotation marks, and then this is where the computer is going to ask you something, or the prompt. Let's say the prompt is your name here, or it could be enter your name. It's whatever you want it to be. It's basically just going to ask you something. So I'm going to go ahead and put a space and run this. So as you can see, the program is asking us to enter our name. However, once we enter our name, nothing's going to populate because we didn't ask the computer or we didn't give the computer those instructions. So if I put Rose, nothing's going to happen. It's just going to finish. Now, if we say print name, it's going to give us Rose after we do that. So I can go ahead and print name here already since we have the variable already assigned to Rose. However, if we put something here, it's going to change our variable and update our variable to whatever the user inputted. Now let's go ahead and run that again. So as you can see, it says Rose. And now it's also asking me to enter my name. Now let's say my name is Bob. I don't know. We enter that. Now our variable is updated to Bob rather than Rose. So let's say we have a program where it says our name everywhere, right? So print Rose is blah years old. We can go ahead and use variables to replace every time we see Rose, right? And then we're going to add our variable name. Let's see if this works. Why isn't it running? Oh, wow. So after we do the input, then it prints all of this. So it actually did give us, hello, my name's Rose. So we can go ahead and replace all of this with name. So yeah, that's one way to use variables. So I've added a little bit more variables and code into this. So let's go ahead and run it. So basically we added another variable such as age and likes, and a few other lines of code. So it says enter your name. Let's say our name is Bobby. So hello Bobby, the computer says. How old are you? Say Bobby is 17 years old. And now it's asking Bobby, what is something that you like? Say Bobby likes chicken nuggets, because who doesn't like chicken nuggets, right? So we hit enter, and then the computer's printing things about Bobby. Bobby likes strawberries. That's weird. No, we made a mistake. Bobby likes. Now we run it again. So this is a thing about coding. You're going to run into several incorrect stuff. You always can check that within this, and sometimes Python will tell you if you got something wrong. But in this case, because we knew it's supposed to output chicken nuggets, instead it outputted strawberries. So let's try that again. So Bobby, hello Bobby. Bobby is 17 years old. Bobby likes chicken nuggets, not strawberries. So we do that again, and now it says Bobby likes chicken nuggets, but it didn't give us a space. So now we can try that again and add a space to this. So we try that again. Bobby, he's 17 years old and he likes chicken nuggets. So now when we run it, everything should be okay. Here are some things about Bobby. Bobby likes chicken nuggets. Bobby is 17 years old. And that is all for variables. Ciao. Thank you guys for watching day 2 of learning how to code using the Python language. Comment, where are you in your Python learning journey? Where are you at in just any programming language journey? I hope to see you guys around next time. Please like, subscribe, and ciao!